Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or whatever time you have an opportunity to watch this video. Here comes again your health educator. My name is Emma Tamankak. I'm a senior lecturer in the Department of Nursing in Lara University of Applied Sciences and the chairperson of HEED Association Finland. HEED Finland has as its main objectives to promote health, education and integration of immigrants here in Finland. As part of the health awareness project funded by Moni Heli that was launched this year, HEED Finland will be organizing a seminar workshop on health promotion that will take place on the 3rd of October 2019 in Helsinki, Finland, precisely at the European Public Space, or what we call the Euroopan. And the seminar will start at 10 o'clock and will end at 3 p.m. So the question is, who is invited to this event? All African immigrants in Finland, leaders of all African associations in Finland, members of the public and the third sector organizations here in Finland. And the goal for this once in a lifetime seminar is to get all these different actors. We are talking about African immigrants themselves, the public sector representatives, the private or the third sector representatives, and all these community leaders to sit together and brainstorm on the possible ways that African immigrants' health can be addressed here in Finland. And it is very, very important that we are able to decide, we are able to discuss, we are able to come up with possible tools that then this public and the third sector organizations can utilize when they are planning for health promotion interventions for African immigrants that will take into consideration the special characteristics of this immigrant group. It's not a one-size-fits-all thing, so this is specifically for African immigrants in Finland. So ladies and gentlemen, please after watching this video, share it to all your African immigrant friends. Make sure that you encourage them to be part of this as well. And on that day we will be providing exotic African dinner to all participants. That's going to be for free. So you are most welcome. And I want to thank you for watching this video, and please share the video as wide as possible. Let us come together and build a better community, better future for ourselves and for the next generation. Thank you and have a wonderful day.